Before we started using the Glory machine, there was a lot of not accurate counts on the bank statements. So every time we had to pay like a penalty fee at the bank.
So the pain points were handling cash. I mean, handling cash is a risk. It's been a risk in any store. Paying your suppliers, keeping track of the cash.
The Glory system works perfectly from the cashier side up to the cash office side, because if you go to the tills and you come back, there's no one that's touching the money. The money goes into the case and it comes here and we put it into the machine. The machine is so accurate that it gives you every amount that you put in and know what you take out. When you do the cash up, you will see exactly what happened for the day.
It's a lot easier now with Glory. Basically getting to pay your suppliers, day-to-day cash handling. Keeping track of what's in your boxes and all that, it's helped a lot.
For the cashiers, it's way easier and it's less stressful for them to work with a Glory system than with cash on hand.
Glory system makes my life easy because I have to concentrate on the customer, not on the change. It does the change itself. It's always accurate.
I love the idea of feeding the notes all at once. I mean, you get these systems that you got to feed one note. It's just time consuming. And it automatically reads what notes you've put in and it gives you how to change. That was the most impressive I've seen of Glory.
The customers are very much happy. They don't have to stand on the queue for a long time. I don't have to stress about change. I'm happy.
Since Glory, we've had no counterfeit, we've had no theft. It's helped us a lot. And especially with the counterfeit. I mean, Glory will pick up if there's a counterfeit note, yes. Your cashiers are not working, they're not making mistakes, they're not working with cash, they're not handling coins. You don't have to be so focused on your cash and focus on the clients. I would definitely recommend it, yes.
I always say there's a lot of human errors, so that can happen, and the Glory system takes that away completely. It's a bank and a safe, and it's a cash-up machine, so it's all in one. This thing helps a lot. Glory helps a lot.